Seminar: Special Rights of Individuals 65 years of age or older under Oregon law. Presented by Joseph T. Hagen and Jennifer J. Martin of Hagen, O'Connell, and Hval. Mr. Hagen has been engaged in the private practice of law in Portland, Oregon for over 30 years, receiving his JD from Georgetown and LLM in taxation from NYU. Ms. Martin is a Portland native and holds an LLM in taxation from the University of Washington, graduating with a 3.93 GPA and a JD from Lewis and Clark Law School, cum laude, and is an attorney at Hagen, O'Connell, and Hval. This seminar is the first of 4 seminars and presents special damages for wrongful taking of money or property from someone who is 65 years or older.
In 1995, the Oregon legislature passed a special law, the Civil Action for Abuse of Vulnerable Person Act, to provide harsh damages in order to protect people who are 65 or older.
This law applies if someone wrongfully takes money or property from you and you're 65 or older, period.
This is a financial loss and you can receive triple damages, meaning your damages are multiplied by 3. You are also awarded the cost of your attorney's fees automatically. If someone acts in bad faith to withhold money or property that they acquired from you, and you are 65 or older, yes, this law applies.
What is special about this law is that it applies to people who permitted or allowed the financial loss to happen in the first place. Why did the Oregon legislature pass this law?
Well, they want to provide additional protections to those in our community who are at least 65 years old.
It applies to people who wrongfully take, permit, or keep your money or property, including relatives, acquaintances, and even business people. What is wrongful conduct?
If someone acts through improper means like deceit, misrepresentation, violence, threats, or intimidation, and they take your money or property, then the conduct is wrongful. It is that simple.
What else is wrongful? Is a wrongful taking? A breach of contract, fraud, misrepresentation, and the like, where money or property is taken or kept.
An acquaintance that suddenly becomes a caregiver in exchange for the deed to the home.
A new friend who suddenly cuts you off from family and the rest of the world and talks you into changing your will or trust.
Selling phony contracts for substandard services or unnecessary goods.
This is just to name a few.
That is right. And wrongful also means if someone interferes with a contractual relationship, false promises, undue influence, and even the procurement of an unfair advantage.
For example, if you entrust money or property to someone and later ask for them to return it and they refuse to in bad faith, then this special law would apply.
For instance, if you invest money with someone and in bad faith they refuse to return your investment, yes, that is a wrongful taking.
Or you have a contract for the sale of property. There's a default, and in bad faith, the property is not returned.
Thank you for your time.
We hope you found the seminar on the Oregon Abuse of Vulnerable Persons Act helpful.